This is what you use Salsa Verde for on pizza. Oh,
So good.
it's the best. What
So
are we
good.
doing? Let's do it. It's just salsa.
Okay, this is the plan.
Okay, what's the plan?
We want to clean the vegetables. We want to wash them. The produce, the tomatillo, the cilantro, and the serranos.
Okay.
Then we're going to peel some garlic, cut a little bit of onion.
Okay.
That is going to be a little bit roasted in a pan.
Okay.
And all that thing goes to the blender. And that's it. You have a salsa. And also, because I'm going to show you the progression of a salsa.
Ooh, yummy.
Okay?
Okay.
There you go.
Love it. Yeah.
I noticed to peel these guys and to peel garlic
Oh, that's tomatillo.
is to use gloves.
Gloves.
It's the best way to peel any garlic, cloves, or tomatillo.
So what if you don't use gloves?
It gets really sticky. You have to wash this
Okay.
because it has a sap. And the sap makes the, if you don't take it away, it makes the salsa super ugly bitter. So this is doing it right.
Okay.
The best way,
Yeah.
this is from Central Market, produce wash.
Produce wash.
Grapefruit seed, lime peels, all natural soap. It's vegetable soap.
Did you put Tide in there? Like soap? No?
This is a vegetable soap.
Guys, this is Eric, by the way, the best chef ever. And this, okay. Cilantro too?
Yeah, of course. Whole cilantro.
Okay. Kind of pepper?
Serrano.
Serrano, okay. We're putting that in the washing machine as well.
For this amount of tomatillos and this, 2 peppers.
What's the pepper called?
Serrano.
Serrano. Is that really spicy?
It could be.
Could be.
One this size, maybe a little, another smaller one.
Okay.
We don't want too much garlic.
Okay.
Like
Just
so.
2?
Perfect, yeah.
Okay. 2 garlics.
Cloves. Peppers. The onion is not as important for this kind of salsa, so but a little bit. You have to be careful. So for that many tomatillos that you saw, you just need
How much?
that much. That's it. We don't need more.
Wait, so how many tomatillos again that you do with this?
I don't know, dude.
About how many pounds did you buy?
I have no idea. I just grab a bunch.
You just grab a bunch.
Yeah.
Okay.
They were like 12, maybe.
Okay.
Went overboard a little bit with it. We'll see.
So there's about 16 to 17 tomatillos.
Yeah, maybe we need only 12.
Maybe only 12. Okay.
But we'll see because they become water.
Alright. Okay. What's the reason to toast it?
We want the smoky flavor. It gives a little bit of that.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Really hot. We're even toasting the.
Everything, yeah.
Okay.
We toast everything.
Toast everything. So we're toasting the onions and the garlic right now. And then we're gonna cut up. Some,
Take out the stem.
Yep. And then we're
This
gonna,
here.
bam. All right. Toasting, not cooking.
Exactly. We don't want to cook it because it's called fresh salsa. Fresh is not cooked.
Okay.
We just want the flavor of the toasted.
Got it. Now we're gonna toast the tomatillo.
Exactly.
Yummy. Yeah, that smells good.
Yeah, I tell you.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Already smells good.
Yeah. So what else? So after you put it in the blender, what else do you put on? Any secret sauce, or is this secret sauce?
Just a little bit of salt and just a little bit of North Suiza, and that's it.
What?
North Suiza is a Mexican secret.
Where am I gonna get
Super
that?
duper. They sell it on Safeway.
Oh, okay. You have to show me the package.
Well. There you go, see?
The Mexican thing that you're talking about?
Everybody in Mexico puts that thing in the dishes. Everyone.
Oh, chicken flavor.
Since like 100 years ago.
What did you call it earlier?
North.
Oh, Nor.
North.
Yeah, we know about that.
They call it North Suiza.
Yeah, Nor. That's Filipino too. Like that.
Oh, like this
Oh,
one.
like that, like that.
There you go. We don't need much. We don't want to cook.
Okay.
Just toast it a little, the other side a little bit.
All
that's it.
sides?
Only top and bottom, and that's
Top
it.
and bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. Top and bottom. Okay, now we're putting it in the blender. Oh, that's gonna fill up the blender.
Now just wait.
Now what? Whoa, that's gonna overflow.
Yeah.
All right.
We don't want it chunky.
Okay.
We want it to go, but we're gonna be adding more. But we're gonna add cilantro. Keep it going.
Oh, we're gonna. Okay.
Still, yeah.
We're gonna have a taste test real quick. This is just with onion,
Garlic, and tomatillo, and serrano pepper.
and serrano pepper in there.
We'll do this. Try it. You can serve it just like that.
Oh wow! Holy smack! That's good.
You serve it like that, and that's it.
Yeah, I really like that. Now I tasted the one without the cilantro, and that was really good. We didn't even put salt or pepper.
Nothing. No salt, no
Yeah.
pepper, nothing. Now we're gonna do cilantro.
All of it.
All the way.
So that's just a whole bunch that you bought, right?
Yep.
Just a one what do you call that? One package?
A bunch.
Okay.
Don't bunch.
Okay. Is that third package?
Yep.
We're gonna add more.
Little bit.
Just like that?
Yeah, maybe. Hold on. Go like that.
How much?
A little bit.
A little bit more. It's depending on how you feel.
Yeah. It's all feeling.
Nice.
Some progression. This is a flavor. Now how it tastes with cilantro. It's still no salt and no pepper.
Okay. Let's check it out. Holy smacks! That tastes even better, I think, with cilantro. So the last ingredient, salt. How much?
Kosher salt.
Kosher. Kosher.
Yeah.
Kosher salt, just like that.
Yep.
Okay, got it.
That's it.
Let's go. How much? Right, just like that. This is the fourth progression. Oh wow. Wow, that just completes it. Is that done? And then
A little bit.
oh, just a little bit?
A little bit.
Okay. And it's done.
That's it.
That's it? Wow. Look at that. That looks so delicious. Holy cow. You see that? That was the best steak ever.